Applying for plumbing approvals is easy, accessible, and convenient when you use WASA'S Plumbing and Building Development Approval online system. The requirements are simple. If you have your town and country approval in hand, or you don't require town and country approval for your application, then WASA'S Plumbing and Building Development Approval online system is for you. How can you access the online approval system? Go to WASA homepage at www.wasa.gov.tt. Click on WASA Plumbing and Infrastructure Approval in the side menu located to the left of your screen. You will then be directed to the New Services online platform. Select Application for Plumbing Approvals or Building Development Application depending on your needs. You will then be directed to the online application form. Fill in the required information and voila! Your application is complete and it's being processed. See? Easy, accessible, and convenient for you, our valued customers. For more information, email newservices.au@wasa.gov.tt or call 662-230227, extensions 2697 or 2605, or visit www.wasa.gov.tt.